For this project, I used a 5mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. To begin, I started with a slip knot and a chain of 10. To get started with your treble crochet, begin in the second chain from the hook and yarn over twice. Yarn over, pull through one loop, then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. So again, to begin in the next chain, you're going to yarn over twice, put your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and yarn over, pull through 2 one more time. And you're going to repeat that for all your stitches down your row. To begin your next row, chain 2 and turn your work. Beginning in the first stitch, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 stitches on your hook. And you're just going to keep repeating that. And here's your treble crochet after 2 rows. They certainly